How to make online business super successful. This is how to make online business super successful. Do you want to know how to start online business from home or want to find online business ideas for beginners? Then watch this video because this is how to start an online business for dummies. You will discover one of the best online business home-based business ideas to make money online. If you want to work from home internet business, then you have to look at this. The point of any business is getting people to see how your business can solve their problem. Every business needs clients or customers. And in order to get them, you need to have products or services that people want or need. You also need a way to market your product or service that gives you profit automation. So you can live your lifestyle the way you want to and not as other people say you have to. When you know how to start online business from home and how to make online business super successful, you can have your business support your chosen lifestyle. With this business model, you will create your online business in the same way that Uber, Expedia.com, Hotels.com and Airbnb have created their business. Having no inventory and simply connecting people with products or services online, you will be able to make massive amounts of money. This is one of the best online business ideas for beginners, and it's how to start an online business for dummies. When you click the link, you will discover one of the best online business and home-based business ideas to make money online. If you want to work from home internet business, then you have to look at this. I will show you how to get people to view your online offer and engage with it. By using a foolproof system that will automate your online business to get it to the point where, no matter what, whether you wake up at noon or whether you're on a beach in Thailand, you'll be making money every day. So if you want to know how to get your business to make you money while you sleep, and how to keep that coming in every single day, click the link below this video. Some of the biggest companies in the world right now don't own any inventory. They don't stock any products. They simply connect people who are looking for what they've got with the products or services they offer. Now, let me give you an example. Hotels.com. Hotels.com is the largest hotel company in the world right now. It's the biggest hotel company, and it doesn't own any hotels, it doesn't have any property, it simply just connects people with hotels. It just recommends people to hotels. People go on Hotels.com and they book a hotel. Hotels.com is an affiliate. They're a very large affiliate, but they just are a connection point, and that's the most scalable sort of business. In the age of the internet, this is how to make online business super successful. Take a look at Airbnb. They are one of the biggest companies in the world, yet they don't own any of their own locations. They don't own any locations, and they're just simply connecting people who have places that they're willing to rent out with people that are interested in renting. Airbnb simply make a commission for making introductions. Now, this is a beautiful type of business because it runs without stopping, because it's all based on the internet. It runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 52 weeks a year, year in and year out on automation. The opportunity is not in creating your own products. The opportunity is all in connecting and helping consumers make decisions and purchase products or services online. Most people don't realize that there are millions of people around the world making money this way. Many make online business super successful and are able to run their online business completely independent of their time and effort. One of the easiest ways of how to start online business from home is to connect people with products or services using the internet. Do you want to know or want to find online business ideas for beginners? Then follow the link at the end of this video, because this is how to start an online business for dummies. You will discover one of the best online business home-based business ideas to make money online. If you want to work from home internet business, then you have to look at this. If this video was interesting to you, please like and make sure you leave a comment in the area below. Also, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you'd like to see the complete foolproof system of how to automate it all so you can have the system run itself and truly get lifestyle and time freedom you want, click the link. Yes, you can discover how to make online business super successful. If you want to know how to start online business from home or want to find online business ideas for beginners, then click the link, because this is how to start an online business for dummies. You will discover one of the best online business home-based business ideas to make money online. If you want to work from home internet business, then you have to look at this.